Alright, so this is the issue that you have with your fuel. This is your float. In here is a little sensor. What you want to do is this clip right here, you want to gently, with the pair of pliers, pop off. Make sure it's somewhere that you're not going to lose it. This retaining clip, same thing, right here. You want to gently pop it out. And see this? This is your feeler. So that's your fuel gauge rubbing against this. What you want to do is ever so slightly grab it with the pliers.